Can I tell you one of the best things that we can recognize off rip about the text? From Abraham to Moses, Isaac to Jacob, David to Solomon, Saul, God uses imperfect people. And you know what's even crazier is that we're able to see ourselves in the very individuals, authors, writers, speakers in the text. And we can identify with their weaknesses, their fears, anxieties, mistakes, sins, and poor decision making, the selfishness, ego, pride that rises up. And what makes it all the more beautiful is that God still used them for a greater purpose. Individuals who still had an anointing on their life, calling on their life, used in ways to be effective to those around them, even though they made poor decisions, even though they had moments of weaknesses, even though they had doubts and fears, even though they struggled with very same things that you and I see today. So I hope and pray that this blesses you like it blessed me. Continue reading the text long enough. You're going to find plenty of individuals, both who ended in peace with God and those who disobeyed him to their dying breath, who had weaknesses and flowing with the imperfection of humanity. And yet God still used them, spoke through them, and God still saw them as valuable, one of his own children whom he loved. Don't let your weaknesses keep you out from the blessings of God. Don't let your weaknesses keep you from thinking that you cannot be used by God, that God has nothing and wants nothing to do with you, because that is a lie from the enemy. You're still valuable. You're still desired. God still wants to use you in such a time as this. And your weaknesses, your imperfections, your humanity is not enough to keep God from using you for his kingdom. Y'all be smooth and go with God.